Good morning, y'all. This is Susan from Misfit Farms. Just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you how it is you know that you have a male or a female pumpkin flower. This was actually another brilliant design by our maker. We have all of these blooms on our pumpkin vine, and come to find out, you'll have 20 or 30 male blooms to one female. So how do you know if you've got male or female? Well, before I show you, another interesting tidbit is that the male flower will usually bloom up to 2 weeks before a female, and that's because the bees need to have time to get in there and do their job. Once that happens, there will be a female that will pop up in between all of the males, like what we have here. See that? It hasn't bloomed yet, but it's the cutest, tiniest little pumpkin. And we got another one over here. See that? That's going to be a female. And my son found another one over here. I didn't see that. So they got a little bulb on the bottom of where the flower is going to bloom. And that, my friends, is how you can tell the difference between a male and female pumpkin plant. Till next time, have a lovely day. This is Susan from Misfit Farms.